Hey guys, coming in a little bit late today. The London session has been open for just over an hour. I would do a quick check up and see what's going on in the market. We are looking at gold, XAUSD gold spot on the 10-minute time frame. Price is now 43.66. And headed down to lower prices, 43.67, 43.66, and looks like we're going to continue to lower prices. Let me just adjust my trend line there to the current candle. And we have supported 43.66, and it's just about looks like it wants to break below that. And our previous day low at 43, what was that? 43.60, 43.61.9, 43.62, previous day low from yesterday. And we had a high of 44.49, now at 43.65, so dropped about $85 today already. Huge, massive drop. And you can see over here that Tokyo opened right in here and pushed the price up, took out the previous day high from yesterday, which was 44.41.39. Took out that previous day high as a liquidity grab, a classic liquidity grab. Going up really quick and then a rejection of the higher price, falling back down, and then the real move started. As you can see, the real move that has lasted all of the rest of today, coming down almost to the previous day low. So a drop of from the from the high we got here to where we are now, $85 drop. Amazing. And that's after the CPI data came out last night, where it was very volatile. Took over yesterday. This was the CPI data came down here like this. You see a massive pin bar, and then it went up for a little bit to form the previous day high, and then came down, then went back up, then came back down. Very volatile after that CPI data was released last night in the New York session. And here we are now, the market acting as normal. We do have more high impact news today, and that's the PMI, which comes out 1 hour before Wall Street opens. And we'll see what NASDAQ is doing. NASDAQ, just to adjust my trend lines. NASDAQ had a big run up earlier today, but has now given all of that back, most of it, almost back to where it started. So a bit of a run up and then a fall back down. Very different from gold. It was an inverse, opposite reaction to what we were seeing in gold earlier on today. And then we'll look at oil. And oil, we have almost a divining rod here. It dropped down a little bit this morning, went sideways, and then shot up to $83, almost $83, and now has since fallen back to uh, just below $81, but now holding around $81 and change. So a lot of volatility in the movement of oil as well. And this is all because of the geopolitical situation, the Middle East war, what's going on over there. That's causing all of this manipulation and volatility with U.S. oil. Well, look at the DXY. The U.S. dollar was making a big move earlier today. It has moved up, fell back down a little bit, a retracement, and moved back up. Probably getting a retracement now. We might see some higher prices with U.S. dollar today. Now at about 99.98. It did get up to 100 and just a little bit earlier today. And that's in line with what we've been seeing for the last couple of days. Steady rise with the U.S. dollar. So we'll go back over to gold, and we're now breaking below that support level there, that green line you see here at 43.66. So our next level of support, put another line in there, that's probably going to be about 43.50, I would just guess. And let's see, we'll go a little bit lower than that, 43.20, 43.25 would be the next level of support if it continues on down, which is very likely to. Breaks below the previous day low. It's already broken below the Asia low. The Asia low was over here. We're broken below that. So our next level of support is 43.25. If you see continued bearish movement, that is where it will be going, 43.25, the next level of support. Hey, Raj, I just come in for a quick one just to kind of review the charts. I come in a little bit late. London opened a little over an hour ago. I had a webinar that I do every day on every Thursday during the London Open. So I came in a little bit late today. Just wanted to review the charts. How's it going over there? We've had a big drop on gold today, $85 so far from the high to where we are now. Tokyo pushed it up and took out the previous day high. That was a classic liquidity grab. And then the real move started. And it's just been coming down all day long. And one that I missed, good trade that I missed over here was the Tokyo lunch run. Remember that one, the Tokyo lunch run? That's this candle right here. It started right here. And I wasn't watching that. I would have got a good bearish run down through here. The classic Tokyo lunch run. But it is what it is. Yeah, we need that. I believe it's the PMI that comes out tonight. Let me just check the calendar right quick. Oh, PPI, you're correct. Yeah, PPI month on month for July, and that is at 1 hour before Wall Street opens. Yeah, the Bears are in control. The Bears are absolutely in control after reaching that fairly new high of 44. We could say 44.50, round psychological number. And if interest rates are going to stay high, then that puts pressure on gold. But it also depends on the Middle East. If the price of oil keeps going up, there's so many factors that's causing all of this volatility. And now there's a 50-50 chance that they'll put rates up, or that they won't put rates up, or that they'll lower rates. What a big mess the market is right now. All we can do is just trade according to what the price tells us it's going to be doing. And this one, the price told us what it was going to do. Classic liquidity grab, and then the market started in the real direction. So that's just a classic move. We can take this trade based on price action. Don't need to even be concerned about what's going on in the Middle East or what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Price tells what it's going to do. So I'm going to get out of here for now. Wish everybody all the best with their trading today. After this big drop, I don't really expect another big drop, although anything can happen. But I'm not going to look at taking any kind of trade right now. I'll wait till the New York session opens and see some folks during that time. And I'll definitely be here again tomorrow. Same time, 1 hour after, 45 minutes or so after London opens tomorrow, I will be back.